Okay, example 8. We want to find an equation with the given solutions, right? Answer in standard form. Now, I left a little note for myself because it took me multiple tries in XYZ to put this in correctly. So they really do mean standard form. We've got to do some multiplying. And I just merely wrote the factors. X equals 2 with a multiplicity of 1. That would be x minus 1. Sorry, x minus 2. Don't forget to change the sign. Times x equals 3 with a multiplicity of 2. So x plus 3 with a multiplicity of 2 is that. Now, the equals 0, you actually have to enter that, or XYZ will not recognize that you have a valid equation. I tried y, and not important, but be sure you put in an equals 0 after you simplify. Now, simplifying this is a little bit of algebra calisthenics. I'm going to square x plus 3. I get x squared plus 6x plus 9. And now I'm going to multiply it by x minus 2. So x times x squared, x to the third, plus 6x squared plus 9x. And now I'm multiplying by negative 2. Negative 2x squared, negative 12x, and negative 2 times positive 9 is negative 18. So I get, throw in my 0 so I don't forget it, I get x to the third plus 4x squared minus 3x minus 18. I also, the reason I like to do my binomial first and my trinomial second is because I can combine my like terms pretty easily. It's called, I think it's called horizontal multiplication. But so trying to do it in that order, it simplifies everything. And that's the answer that XYZ expects. Okay. So we've got x equals positive 5 and x equals negative 5, both with a multiplicity of 2. And here I'm going to do, I have to multiply, multiply both binomials and then just, you just got to crunch through it. So x squared minus 10x plus 25, that's my first pair of, that's x minus 5 squared. And x plus 5 is going to look really similar, just with a positive 10x. I'm going to not put in the 0 because I'm obviously going to need some room here. I'll throw it in the end. Okay, so we get x to the fourth, and now I'm just doing all these multiplications. Plus, and I start with the first term and do all 3 of the last trinomial, and then go on to the negative 10x and so on, so you know where these numbers are coming from. So I get x to the fourth plus 10x to the third plus 25x squared. And now I'm going to multiply by negative 10. I get negative 10x to the third. And notice how I'm writing them underneath the like terms. Negative 100x squared. And it looks like negative 250x. And then multiplying by 25, I get 25x squared, and I get 250x. And my last multiplication is 25 times 25, which I think is 325. I'll check. All right, make that 625. 25 squared is 625. Okay, so my final answer is 0 equals x to the fourth. My x to the thirds cancel. Looks like my x squared, I'll wind up with a negative 50x squared. And then my x terms also cancel, plus 625. So this is kind of like the difference in two squares where the positive negatives will cancel some terms out. Oops, forgot to include equals 0. Okay, I'm going to stop this video.